So today we are going to talk about an area of your system which you should clean out regularly, but it rarely does get cleaned out. It quite often gets neglected because you just completely forget about it. And it's an area of the system that is really, really quite active. So I'm going to explain about all that in a moment. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you. So as I say today, we are talking about an area of your system which really does need cleaning up on a regular basis. It's an area of high activity, but you do often forget about it. Now I'm going to show you why this area has a lot of activity in it, but kind of gets discarded, gets forgotten about, you never go into it. So for most people, if you use a web-based email system, like for instance the Outlook web-based email system, or the BT Mail, Yahoo Mail, Gmail, then when you are going into your emails, then what you'll find is when you download or open an attachment, then you'll find that that goes into the download folder. And I'm going to give you an example here. So I've got this email here and it's got a bill attached to it, or a makeout bill anyway. So I'm going to download that to the computer. It gets downloaded. There you go, opens up. It isn't really a bill, it's just a test PDF. But if it was a bill, it would be exactly the same. So yeah, okay, I've read the bill, that's fine. Let's just close it all down. Okay, I close my email down, and then a few days later or a few hours later, I think, let's just have a look at that bill again. So I open up my browser, go back into the email, and I think, yeah, okay, let's go and have a look at it again. So I download it or I open it. Okay, and what you'll notice is now in the top right hand corner of the screen, it's downloaded bill, but it's actually put a number beside it. And that number basically means there is another file with the same name in the downloads folder. So, okay, let's just give you another example. Let's just go back to that bill and I'm going to download it again. And this time, there you go, you'll see bill, and in brackets after it is the number 2. So there you go, opens up, we close it down, we go off, we do something else and we come back to it and think, oh yeah, well, I'm just going to have another look at that bill. Let's just check to see. There was something I wasn't quite sure on there. So let's just check it. So I open up the email again and click on bill and download it. And again, bill 3's come up. Now, what's happening here is, as I say, is every time I open it or download it, it's going into my downloads folder. Now, where is the downloads folder? Just open up any yellow folder on the screen. I'm going to open up this yellow folder at the bottom of the screen there. And then either on the left-hand side, there you go, you've got downloads, or you've got downloads over there on quick access. It doesn't matter which one you open. In some cases, you might not see one on the big side of the screen there. You might only see it on the smaller side of the screen. So just open it. And as you can see there you go. I've got bill 1, bill 2, bill 3. And I can tell that these are all the same simply by, well, they've all got the same name, but numbers after them. And the size down the right-hand side is the same. And the date there, they were sort of all opened around about the same time. But if you're not sure, you can always double click on open each individual file up and just see if they are the same. And if you do notice that they're duplicates, then yeah, you can go ahead and you can delete them. Now on Windows 11, all you do is just left click once on the file and then click on the bin. Or if you haven't got a bin there, right click once on the file and click delete. If you're running Windows 10, then when you right click on the file, you'll probably see this menu. So you can just click on delete just there. And that really does tidy up the system. I've been to a few people recently that have got thousands of files in their downloads folder. I mean, most of them they've opened up from an email and never ever need to look at them again. They've opened it up once. Some people have got timetables, menus, flight tickets from years ago. They don't need to keep them. So anything that you see in your downloads folder and you think, I really don't need to keep that, then again, just right click on it, click delete up there, or if you're running Windows 10, click on delete down there in the menu, and there you go. That just clears it up. If you've still got the email, in actual fact, in your email inbox, then you can always just go back to that email and you can download the attachment again at a later date if you really, really need to. And as you'll see here, I've just downloaded it, just opened it, and let's go back to the downloads folder. And there we are. It's there. Bill is back on there. So there you go. Have a look in this folder. Perhaps make it part of your monthly cleanup routine just by going in there and just checking to see if there are any things that you've downloaded that you really don't need to keep in there. Obviously, the more often that you go through this folder, the less there'll be to go through and check.